Hello everyone! Welcome to the 3D Maps series tutorial. Today is the 11th lesson of this series. This lesson mainly teaches you to use whale twins, camera control and operation of GIS scene. First, open any GIS project. Then double-click the whale twin component to enter edit mode. Then, on the left, select the camera column. We can see that there are 4 cameras built in, which are bird's eye cameras, follow cameras, roaming camera, and first-person camera. In Wing's engine, we can directly use to control and operate the scene. We can also use the directional keys on the keyboard. I will introduce and demonstrate them one by one. Use the mouse wheel to scroll forward, to zoom in on the scene. Scrolling backwards can zoom out the scene. Change the size of the view. To view more detailed information, hold down the left or right mouse button and drag it. You can rotate around. To rotate around the origin. To change the direction of the view. Hold down the middle mouse button and drag. You can perform a panning operation in the scene. To change the position of the view. To view different areas. Use the direction keys on the keyboard. To change the tilt angle of the view. In the whale twin component, in addition to the 4 cameras built into Wing's engine, you can also switch to the Cesium camera. This camera can control the GIS scene. And there are many ways to operate this camera. First, click and select the scene in the component layer. Then, in the main camera on the right, select Switch to Cesium camera. You can also use the mouse to control and operate the GIS scene. Hold down the left mouse button and drag it. You can pan the scene. To change the position of the view, hold down the right mouse button and drag. To zoom in or out of the scene. To change the size of the view. While holding down the CTRL key and left mouse button. To change the direction of the view. And we can also use the second, the 2-click function to control the CCM camera. To achieve more detailed and customization needs. In the code column, you can add the corresponding code file. After adding the example CesiumJS code, and reload the generated components. At this time, the corresponding secondary development event will be triggered. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. See you next time.